It is Sunday and it's time to go grocery shopping. So I've got my list all ready to go from anti-gravity, and I've crossed off everything that I already have, and I also like to put next to those items which store I'm going to get them from. It just makes my life so much easier. And I've got my protein smoothie, because we do not grocery shop hungry. That's a bad idea. So that is my grocery shopping that I do pretty much every week. So now that I'm home, I got all my things put away. I pull out my meal plan, go through and see what I need to make for to get myself ahead for this week. For my clients who are on the full nutrition plan, I give them a prep guide. But for me, I've been doing it long enough. I just go off my meal plan. I have one copy inside the house and another in the shop where the freezer and everything else is in our second fridge. So I've got my crock pot out and I'm going to start making my pressure cooker Mexican chicken and quinoa. I've got some snacks here, sesame cucumber salad, sweet potato and turkey breakfast patties, and I'm also going to make some flaxseed crackers to go with my tuna on my high carb days. So that is the plan, and then we'll be making dinner later tonight. And that's pretty much it. It takes some time out of your day, guys. It really does. I know it's a lot to do all the grocery shopping and then do the meal prep and then also cook it again later on in the week, and it can get kind of overwhelming. But once you get into a routine and it's just part of your day and you start to see really great results, your skin's looking better, the weight is coming off, you have better energy, the grocery bill is actually not nearly so bad as you think when you think about all the money that you spend on eating out constantly, right? So, and there's the stress of all of that. You know that you're not fueling your body well, you're not giving healthy food to your family. So taking the time to do the meal prep, it's just worth it. It really is worth it, and you just gotta stick with it until it just becomes a normal part of your life, and it's what you do, and then it's no big deal, okay? So if you have any questions about shopping or places to go or deals or how to do meal prep, go ahead and leave them in the comments or leave me a DM, and I'd be happy to get back to you. You guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.